Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. This is Markets Today and I'm Sakshi Batra. This is where we discuss everything about the stock market's opening action to help you understand how the trade is going to pan out today and what are the sectors and stocks that you need to focus on to be on top of your investment game today. To help us with all of this and much more, I have with me a very special guest joining in. Nirav Chheda joins in from Nirmal. Thank you so much, Nirav. Good morning to you. Help us understand this very, very strong opening. What do you make of it? We've had a gap up start. The Nifty right now is up over 1% at 16,520. The Sensex in the likewise as well. The Nifty Bank is pulling up higher too. Almost, if you see right now for the Nifty Bank, it's 0.8% of an uptick that we can see. Very, very closer to that 36,000 mark as well. In fact, market breadth is completely favoring the bulls at this point. All the sectors trading sharply in the green, a broad-based gain. What do you make of the rally today?
Yeah. Good morning, Sakshi. See, overall, when you see a lot of indicators were going, for the Nifty and Bank Nifty, especially the India VIX, where India VIX came down below its 200-day moving average after a gap of around 6 months, stayed below it for, so many trading sessions, so that was a big positive. That meant that our markets can have a linear rally. We've had almost a 1,000 point rally from the lows. So for the Nifty, so that is a good point. Now, the important part is we have run into a resistance zone of 16,500 to 16,600. This 100-point, zone is a strong resistance for the Nifty index. And that is, I believe, little bit of profit booking should be done from current levels. Looking at the overall scenario as well, even Bank Nifty 36,000 is an important resistance. It has just touched the 36,000 levels, and from there, there is a possibility, it can go up for about a percentage or two, but overall, this is a resistance zone, and you can see some profit booking coming in. So I just suggest if you bought lower, book certain profits and stay on cash for a bit.
Okay, stay on cash for a bit and use this rally or bounce to actually book some profit at this point in time. In case I have to ask you about sectors, since we are seeing a broad-based rally today, which are the pockets that are giving you the maximum confidence if one has to stay in? Which sectors will continue to be in momentum even if there is profit booking that happens? They will be on course on the up move as well.
Yeah, see, at this point, the only real sector that I can see that can, stay up is the IT sector. See, there is a very good rally which has gone on in the banking sector. Lot of stocks have come up. Yes, there are some stocks like HDFC Bank which haven't come up. Probably that will come up. But yes, the IT sector as a whole has fallen a lot. And after this point, the very good consolidation has taken shape. And from here, the stocks are witnessing good short covering action. So very rare to see, short covering across the board. So I believe this sector can do very well, and very likely, Infosys, Wipro will be the leaders, and for the larger caps, and take this index, the IT index, higher.
Okay, understood that. So IT index, that's giving you more confidence right now. And we are already seeing a sharp bounce in today's trading session. Infosys, you talked about, it's 2% up. TCS is up almost 2% as well. Tech Mahindra, one of the top gainers, is 3% up as well. So the little, profit booking that you had taken, you had seen in the IT stocks right after that huge run up. Again, they're on course on the upside as well. Today's top gainers also include those oil and gas stocks, ONGC, Reliance is up 2.5% as well. Anything from these top 5 gainers that you are confident about that may continue the upside?
Yeah, I think very much so. I like ONGC at this point of time. After the highs of 195 odd, ONGC hasn't risen much, and it has borne the brunt of that tax. Looking at the charts are very positive. Good volumes have been seen from the 130s to 120 level in this counter, and I believe deliveries have been very good as well. So one can look to buy this stock. It can move up towards the 145, 150 levels very soon. So this can be one stock to watch out for.
Definitely. Now, in terms of the earnings, we are in full swing of the earnings season as well. I wanted to ask your opinion on HUL, where strong numbers have come in, although the stock has not really sharply risen post that. But your thoughts on the earnings factor here? Of course, FMCG stocks have had their good comeback. Right now, they are in that profit-taking mode yet again. But your thoughts on HUL?
Yeah, see, HUL as a whole has performed very well. And in the last few days, it's making a rounding kind of a formation with a breakout above 2450. So that
Yeah.
breakout has come as well. So most likely this stock is headed higher towards the
Okay.
2800 level. So definite buy. You can buy this on dips as well. You can keep a stop loss of 2500 for your longs.
Okay. And what about your stock specific recommendations for the day? Are you going to stick with IT? Are there other names that you have for today for all our viewers?
So I have one IT name. Wipro
Okay.
hasn't moved up that much.
Mm-hmm.
So I believe this will be the leader. It has made its bottom.
Yeah.
Very likely this stock is now headed higher. So it can go up towards the 450 odd level. So, 435, 450 should be your targets, and 390 should be your stop loss for longs. Second one is a buy call on the bank, HDFC Bank. I believe this stock has made its bottom. So whatever had to come after results has come in. This stock is now headed higher. It can aggressively move up towards the 1400 1450 level. So one can look to buy this stock with a stop loss of 1320, and this stock can go up towards 1400 1420.
Okay, understood that. So buy Wipro ahead of its Q1. It's going to be coming out with its Q1 earnings also today. It's showing some momentum. That stock can be bought, and HDFC Bank as a top stock recommendation for the day by Nirav. Thank you so much, Nirav, for being with us and sharing the insights on markets.
Thank you.